Hi, I'm Alex, and today we're going through the process analysis of making these awesome little Christmas trees. I went ahead and made 2 sets. We're going to be using MDF, about 1/4 inch thick, and a couple of paints with some tools, paintbrushes, and a little bit of talent and skill. I hope you guys enjoy this video and you get something out of it. The first step in creating our Christmas trees is finding an image to base it off of. So here I am searching Christmas tree silhouette, going to images, and I am finding a nice image that has sharp corners and it would be easy for the machine to cut. Right now what I'm doing is using the snippet tool to take the image and copy it. In the video, in the screen recording, it did not show as me snippeting it, but I promise you that it's there. After finding the perfect image on Google, I went ahead and imported it into my program called VCarve Desktop. In this program, I went ahead and took the image and traced around it. This gave me a vector, and the vector is the Christmas tree in line forms. I took that and I duplicated it. The 2 pairs of Christmas trees you see will create one 3D Christmas tree. After that, I had to move on to the next step, which is creating the interlocking slots. The slots are equivalent to the width of the material, and I created the slots halfway into each 2D vector of the Christmas tree. And this will create one 3D Christmas tree with perfect lining slots. From this point, I went ahead and checked my clearances and looked at the final product in the preview page of this. And after that, I was able to move on. Whenever dealing with any type of sawdust or painting, it's always smart to go ahead and use protection gear as well as with loud noises. So during the duration of this project, I'll be wearing these pieces of equipment to protect me from anything bad coming inside my body or to protect my ears from any loud noises. So I have safety glasses right there, I have a respirator here, and I have hearing protection right there as an earmuffs. Here we've already sized up our material to a 12 by 14 inches and is prepared to be cut on the CNC machine. It is held down by glue, super glue, and masking tape squeezed together, and this creates a very tight bond in between the plane surface and the machine. Here's the CNC running. Inside the router is a 1/8 inch straight flute bit that is carving around 65 inches per minute at a plunge rate of 30 inches per minute. This is a very conservative setting on the CNC machine. Now this is not real time. This is about 5 times sped up, but this is what the process looks like in general of cutting the 4 plates used for the Christmas tree. The 2 slots within the MDF are used to interlock with each other and create this 90-degree angle which forms a Christmas tree. This Christmas tree stands about 5 inches tall and about 4.5 inches wide. Directly after cutting the Christmas trees, I went ahead and applied primer. I did this so that way the MDF pores would soak up the primer and allow the paint to adhere better. By applying primer, it creates a smoother surface which ultimately looks much better in the end. Once the primer has dried for about 15 minutes, I went ahead and applied this meadow green paint, and I used about 2 coats on each side of the Christmas tree until it was fully dry before I moved on to hand painting. Once the green paint has dried for about an hour, I went ahead and moved on to the hand painting. Here I have a variety of larger to smaller sizes brushes, as well as a variety of different paints.
There it is. The Griswold family Christmas tree.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you took something out of it. I really enjoyed making this video and I actually enjoyed turning it into a date as well. I make 2 Christmas trees and my girlfriend and I, we went ahead and painted them and it turned out to be an awesome experience and something we might do every year after this.